House Bill 283 would create a second judge in Adams County with a 6-year term beginning in 2025. Current Judge Brett Spencer is prohibited from speaking on the matter due to ethics rules, but he was allowed to testify at a November 28th hearing for the bill. He was also permitted to answer any questions from the committee.
Each and every one of those people that have proposed as proponents were very vocal advocates for the defeated opponent. And this is a mulligan, if you would.
Keep in mind, Spencer is a Democrat in the heavily Republican Adams County. But during a November 8th hearing, County Commissioner Teresa Ward told the committee the court is suffering a backlog of cases.
One judge simply cannot efficiently provide these services, and delayed hearings are simply unacceptable. The overwhelming rise in juvenile cases has only exacerbated the situation.
State lawmakers asked Judge Spencer about that caseload and whether he was capable of handling it.
Without hesitation or reservation, the answer is yes, and the Supreme Court records reflect that.
Here's a look at those Supreme Court records he's referring to. You can see overall the number of cases has remained flat, going from a total of 1,849 cases in 2013 to only 1,618 last year. Spencer told the committee a second judge position hadn't even been talked about leading up to the election in 2022, and this proposal came out of nowhere. But one of the bill's sponsors, Representative Gene Schmidt, pointed out that a committee was actually created in 2010 to look into the idea of creating a second judge.
I just want to correct the record when you say this came up in the dark of the night, because folks in Adams County have been talking for over a decade for the need for a second judgeship. I have no further questions.
Now, he reached out to one of the bill's primary sponsors, local Republican Representative Gene Schmidt of Loveland. I emailed her legislative office last Thursday, as well as called her cell phone that day, and I called her again today, but so far I have not heard back. I'll report back anything if she responds to my request. For now, at the Adams County Courthouse in West Union, I'm Christian Hauser.
You can always find our stories here on YouTube, but go ahead and click subscribe to get notifications and stay in the know.